Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Kaspersky for privacy controls and scan management, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the Kaspersky website URL. Press the Enter key to navigate to the site. Look for the login option, usually located at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on the Login button. You will be directed to the login page. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link to initiate a password recovery process. After entering your credentials, click on the Sign In button. Once logged in, you will be redirected to your Kaspersky account dashboard. Here, locate the Privacy Controls tab in the main menu. Click on Privacy Controls to access your privacy settings. You will see various options for managing your privacy preferences. Adjust the settings according to your needs. To manage scan options, return to the dashboard. Find the Scan Management section. Click on the Scan Management option. Here, you can schedule scans or modify existing scan settings. Select the type of scan you want to perform, such as quick scan, full scan, or custom scan. Once you've made your selections, save your changes. To start a scan immediately, click on the Start Scan button. Monitor the progress of the scan in real time on your dashboard. After the scan is complete, review the results displayed on the screen. Make any necessary changes or adjustments based on the scan findings. Your Kaspersky account is now set for effective privacy management and scan supervision. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.